Hello wonderful people, today we'll be making Adoyo. Adoyo is a yellowish drink commonly sold in streets and markets across Nigeria by Togolese vendors. Welcome to our channel, please subscribe for more videos, thank you. The base ingredients for this drink is Omidun. It is fermented pap water that is also called omikon. This is what it looks like. In Western Nigeria, it is popularly used to cook herbal drinks for different ailments, but today I'll be using it to make Adoyo. So I will set it aside and show you the other ingredients. These have been properly washed and I'll be using pineapple, lemons and lemongrass. I will cut the pineapple and lemons into small pieces. As you can see, the pineapple is very ripe. I will also save the pineapple peel because it is medicinal and it is needed for this drink. Pineapple peel is packed with minerals and vitamins that are very good for our body. I will put the pineapple and lemon slices into different bowls and I will set it aside. Now that I am done with the preparations, it is time to cook. I will pour about 3.5 liters of Omidun into my pot. Then I will put my lemongrass and I'll also be putting in the pineapple slices at this point and the lemon slices as well. Also, I'll be adding my pineapple peel. I'm going to allow it to cook for about 1 hour, but I'll be showing you the progress as we cook along. This is Adoyo after 15 minutes. And this is Adoyo after 30 minutes. I have to tell you that my kitchen is filled with a delicious aroma of Adoyo right now. So let's talk about the benefits of Adoyo. Before we continue, please like this video. It costs you nothing, but it makes me very happy. Adoyo is known to be rich in powerful antioxidants that helps the body fight free radicals that cause diseases. Yes, you heard that right. This is Adoyo after 1 hour. As you can see, the color has changed to yellow and I will allow it to cool down before I serve it. Also, Adoyo is very rich in vitamin C, and we all know that vitamin C is very good for our body. While I show you what my Adoyo looks like, I also have to tell you, Adoyo boosts the body metabolism. So if you're looking for something to boost your body metabolism and help you burn fat, this is what you need. I will add some ice cubes into my cup and I'll serve my Adoyo. Adoyo also helps with digestion, so it prevents constipation. There are so many reasons why you should drink Adoyo. It is lovely, it is medicinal, and it is natural. By the way, you can drink Adoyo warm like tea. It is all up to you to do what you wish with Adoyo. For some people, in the hot weather, they'd rather drink something cold. So you can drink it with ice cubes. And I love this. It is so tasty. Come on. So you can add honey in your Adoyo if you have sweet tooth and you love to drink something sweet. You stir it properly and you drink. You know what? I have to always say thank you for your time. Thank you for